Today we have some Olsa Tools for you. We have shallow L 6-point impact sockets in metric and standard we're going to take a look at. And we also have their extendable breaker bar. The extendable breaker bar is pretty nice. It is from 16 to 24 inches extendable. It does have just a little bit beyond, they call it a 180-degree head, but it goes just a little bit beyond each way. So we're going to give this a little bit of a go. First up, we have the metric sockets here. They do come in a nice cardboard box. They are chrome moly. 6-point, they do have high vis laser stamping on them or laser engraving on them for the different sizes. They do come in a nice blow molded case. You can see right there they got the nice high vis stamp on them or laser engraving on them. It says Olsa Tools. This is a 23mm. This is the metric set. It is available from 10 through 24 and they are non-skip. Like I said, they are a 6-point design. They are available in the 1/2 inch. I kind of like the blow molded case. It just depends on how much room you have in your toolbox, whether you use these or not. SAE set is the same way. They're still a chrome moly design. It is available. They have every size in here from 3/8 to 1.25 inches, which is nice. They go, most of these sets that I saw, you can see they still have the nice laser engraved, the laser stamped indicator or size indicator on there. Most of the sets that I saw like this, they only go up to 1 inch, which makes it a 13-piece set. This is a 14-piece set, and they don't include the box as one of the pieces, so I thought that was pretty cool. So like I said, these are available 1/2 inch from 3/8. I don't know why you would want a 3/8 impact, but it's available if you need it, to 1.25 as far as the SAE. Let's go ahead and grab, I believe it's a 15/16. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the breaker bar. We have it extended out all the way to 24 inches. Like I said, this is from 16 to 24 inches, which makes it nice. My current breaker bar is only a 14-inch breaker bar, so even all the way collapsed, this is still bigger than what I currently have. So let's go ahead and put this on. We'll go over here to the press and see if we can't, how much flex we can get out of this breaker bar all the way out and extended. All right, we got the breaker bar. We do have it extended all the way out. We got the 15/16 on there. I do have a wrench on there holding that just in case we have some turn. I did put this pressed together with an impact wrench, so we're gonna see how much flex we actually do get out of this breaker bar. Let's go ahead and see what kind of flex, if any, we get out of this, or we break the bolt, or we break the breaker bar. I'm looking at the camera to see if there's much flex in it at all. You can see right through here, that's pretty much all my weight. And I'm just about 200 pounds. That's pretty impressive. Go much more, I'm either gonna break the bolt, probably. I don't feel that I'm gonna break anything within the breaker bar, so that right there says a lot. I'm hanging off of it pretty much just on my toes. Pretty nice tool. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with the breaker bar. I should have moved the camera back, or I had 2 cameras set up so you can see how I just was kind of dangling off of it. I mean, I have pretty much all my weight on it. I just had my feet down just in case I would go to catch myself. I was pretty skeptical in the beginning of having an extendable breaker bar from Olsa Tools or from any tool company, but after using it, very impressive. If you guys don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.